Have you ever wondered who would reign supreme in a battle between the Megalodon and the Kraken? Today we're going to explore this titanic clash of the sea monsters, a contest of power and cunning beneath the waves. On one side we have the Megalodon, the prehistoric shark that once ruled the seas. This behemoth, with its bone-crushing jaws and colossal size, was an unrivaled predator of its time. Its name literally means big tooth, and one look at its fossilized chompers would tell you why. On the other side, we have the Kraken, a creature of myth and legend. This gigantic cephalopod, often depicted with fearsome tentacles and a voracious appetite, has haunted sailors' nightmares for centuries. Its immense strength and rumored intelligence make it a formidable adversary. Two giants of the deep, both terrifying, both extraordinary. But when these two leviathans clash, who would be the last one standing? So who would emerge victorious in this epic battle? Let's dive deeper. Imagine a shark, only larger and more formidable. That's the Megalodon for you. This gigantic shark, whose name quite fittingly means big tooth, once roamed our oceans and was without a doubt one of the most powerful predators in the history of Earth. The Megalodon was an absolute behemoth, growing up to 18 meters long. That's almost 3 times the length of the largest great white shark. This immense size gave the Megalodon a significant advantage in the ocean, allowing it to take on virtually any creature it came across. But the Megalodon wasn't just large, it was fast. With a streamlined body and powerful tail, this shark could reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the fastest human swimmer could ever hope to achieve. This speed, combined with the Megalodon's size, made it an exceptional ambush predator, capable of taking down its prey before they even knew what hit them. And let's not forget the Megalodon's most terrifying feature, its bite. With jaws that could open up to 2 meters wide and teeth measuring over 17 centimeters long, the Megalodon had the most powerful bite of any creature that has ever lived. Its bite force was estimated to be around 10 tons, enough to crush a small car. But, like any creature, the Megalodon had its weaknesses. It was reliant on warm waters and, as such, was unable to venture into the colder, deeper parts of the ocean. This limited the Megalodon's range, potentially making it easier for its prey to evade it. Moreover, the Megalodon's size and power came at a cost. It needed to consume a lot of food to sustain itself, and when food was scarce, the Megalodon would struggle to survive. With such formidable strengths and glaring weaknesses, the Megalodon surely makes for a fearsome contender. But what about the Kraken? What if the dark depths of the sea unleashed a monster with tentacles strong enough to crush a ship? Welcome to the world of the Kraken. The Kraken, a sea monster of epic proportions, is a creature of myth and legend. It's believed to be so massive that when it surfaces, its body could be mistaken for an island. Its size alone makes it a formidable opponent. But what truly sets the Kraken apart are its tentacles. Each one is thought to be as long as a blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived. These aren't just lengthy appendages, they're incredibly strong, capable of crushing a ship as though it were a toy. The Kraken's tentacles are also equipped with suckers, enabling it to latch onto its prey with an iron grip. It's this combination of size, strength, and grip that makes the Kraken an underwater terror. However, the Kraken's mightiest weapon might just be its ability to stay hidden. It's believed to dwell in the deepest parts of the ocean, far from prying eyes. This stealth allows it to ambush its prey, striking when least expected. But every creature, no matter how powerful, has its weaknesses. The Kraken is no exception. Due to its enormous size, it's assumed to be quite slow, making it susceptible to swifter predators. Additionally, its eyes and beak, yes, like an octopus the Kraken is believed to have a beak, are thought to be its weak points. A well-aimed attack here could incapacitate the Kraken, turning the tide of a battle. Despite these weaknesses, it's impossible to ignore the sheer might of the Kraken. Its colossal size, crushing tentacles, and stealthy nature make it a formidable adversary. Yet, every battle has two sides, every monster a contender. The Kraken, with its colossal strength and stealth, is indeed a formidable foe. But the question remains, who would win in a battle? So, who would win if these two titans clashed in the depths of the ocean? A question as tantalizing as it is terrifying, isn't it? Let's dive right back in and review what we know. On one hand, we have the mighty Megalodon, a prehistoric shark that could reach lengths of up to 18 meters. Its jaw was a formidable weapon, capable of exerting a force of over 10 tons. This beast was a speed demon too, with estimates suggesting a top speed of around 31 kilometers per hour. But every coin has two sides. The Megalodon's size and speed could also be its downfall. Larger creatures require more energy to move, making them less agile and more prone to exhaustion. Then we have the Kraken, a mythical sea monster said to be so enormous that it could engulf an entire ship with its tentacles. Its strength lies in its size and the element of surprise. The Kraken's ability to blend into its surroundings and strike without warning would give it a significant advantage. However, the Kraken is also not without its weaknesses. Its size could make it a bigger target, and its tentacles, although strong, are vulnerable to injury. Now, imagine a battle unfolding between these two. The Megalodon, using its speed and powerful jaws, tries to land a lethal bite. The Kraken, on the other hand, would attempt to ensnare the Megalodon with its tentacles, using its size and strength to its advantage. The Megalodon could use its agility to evade the Kraken's tentacles, aiming for a quick, decisive strike. Conversely, the Kraken could use its camouflage to launch a surprise attack, aiming to immobilize the Megalodon before it even has a chance to react. There are numerous possible scenarios, and each one is as thrilling as the next. Would the Megalodon's speed and biting force prevail, or would the Kraken's size and surprise tactics win the day? In the end, the outcome of such a battle is a mystery as deep as the ocean itself, but one thing is certain: it would be a spectacle to behold.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narration.